The Transamerica Pyramid is an iconic skyscraper in San Francisco's financial district, standing 853 feet tall with 48 floors. Completed in 1972, it was the tallest building in the city until 2018, when the Salesforce Tower overtook it. Designed by architect William Pereira. Its unique pyramid shape was intended to symbolize the innovative spirit of its original owner, the Transamerica Corporation. Constructed with a steel frame and a facade of white quartz and glass, the building is both earthquake-resistant and visually striking. In 2020, it was acquired by a group of investors led by Michael Schwul and Deutsche Finance America. While primarily serving as office space, the Transamerica Pyramid has become a cultural symbol of San Francisco, featured prominently in media and recognized globally for its distinctive design.